if you're looking for a business that you can easily start in the food niche and make a lot of profit, then this video is for you. Make sure you watch this video to the end, because the business idea I'll be giving to you is something that you can start right from the comfort of your home. Welcome to my YouTube channel, CC Discover. So if you're new to this channel, thank you, and make sure you subscribe and be part of this family. Always turn on your notification bell so that you know when I drop new and interesting videos. And if you're an old subscriber, thank you so much, I appreciate you. Anything food business is a business that will definitely be in high demand, especially now that feeding is like a luxury. So everyone is looking for a way to cut costs one way or the other on feeding, right? So if you have a very good business idea in a food niche that will also help people to make life easier for them, then trust me, you've just started a business that is going to be making you millions. And some of these businesses are something that you can start right from the comfort of your home, just like this one. For this business, foodstuff subscription business. And what is foodstuff subscription business? This business is a business where people subscribe to get foodstuff on a monthly basis. You're going to save them cost, and you're going to save them the time to go to the market. Do you get? So, and remember that you doing this business as a subscription business means that they are going to be getting it a bit affordable compared to what they used to get in the market. From that, they are also going to be getting it in a bundle form, where you have something like rice, some cartons of noodles, you have spices, you have vegetable oils, you have other things included in this bundle. So that anything subscription business is a business that gives recurring revenue. While you're sleeping, you're making your money, right? And now starting a food subscription business is you making money on money while you sleep, right? So now if you're someone that can go extra length to source for food, to source for something that people need in their homes, something that people will like to buy, so if you're someone that can go extra mile in things, then you can do this business. When you go extra mile to include so many type of food for clients, especially something that they can't even source at a particular time, you're making it available for them at a given time, and you're making it easy for them to get, you're making it accessible for them, then guys, you're going to get people patronizing your business. Business is something that you can start from the comfort of your home. This foodstuff subscription business is something that will make you money when you do it, and you do it well. Remember, when you do it and do it well, because at this time people are just after how they want to feed well, and then you're offering this kind of business, you're giving them this thing, you are having varieties of food in bundles, you understand? And remember that being a subscription business model makes it something that can be afforded, because you're going to have it in different tiers. You're going to have the basic, you're going to have the premium, you're going to have the gold. It depends on how you want to package it, but whichever way, it's being a subscription business means that if you have from so amount, let's say maybe you have from 50 something thousand, you should be able to afford one of our tiers. Do you understand? A foodstuff subscription business is a business that will make you money in Nigeria, in Africa, even in some part of the world. Do you understand? Because one, you're not just offering food, you are giving them opportunity to have varieties of food at their convenience. You're making it easy for them to access, and you're doing it in a bundle kind of way that it will even be more affordable than the way they will get it if they go out to shop for these things by themselves. And so you're selling a whole lot in this particular business, so you're giving them a whole lot. You're not just selling food, you're selling convenience, you're selling affordability, you're selling access to food. So if you're someone that is looking to start a foodstuff business, because there are a lot of people that are in love with foodstuff business, right? You're not the shop type of person, you'll be thinking of a way on how you can start a foodstuff business and still be in your house, then this business is for you. This is a smart way of selling foodstuff. You are basically selling foodstuff, but you are doing it in a smart way. You want to do this business so well, I would advise that you have a website where people can pay for their subscription tier. And by having a website for this your business, made it to be kind of automated, because while sleeping you'll be making money, you will just be waking up to orders. So this is an upgraded way of selling foodstuff. So guys, that is it about the foodstuff subscription business. So if you're looking to go into selling of foodstuff and you don't want to rent a shop, you want to be in your house and sell it, then this is the smartest way that you can sell foodstuff right from the comfort of your home. So guys, that is it about this video. If you have any question, do not hesitate to ask in the comment section. See you in my next video. Bye.